it's Anastasia.
What are you doing today, Anastasia? Anastasia's going to unbox our JuJuBe rose-coloured Be Right Back from the Rose Gold collection. It's the only bag I got from this collection, so Anna wanted to take it out, and I thought I'd let her do that tonight. So is it heavy, Anna? Ooh. You got it? Okay, so we got the Be Right Back in this print because I got a coin purse from another print that I got and I thought it was really pretty. So I ended up selling that other print and getting this one instead. I had the Sakura Swirl Mini Bee and that one just didn't speak to me. So, but I really liked the coin purse that I got with that particular purchase in the rose-colored glass, which ironically, this print I didn't like to begin with. When they were doing first views and pictures, I thought it looked really kind of trippy. But I really do like this. Oh, this is pretty. And the rose gold on this isn't so bad. I found it kind of tacky. And you know, people are probably going to yell at me for that, but I just didn't like how it went with the Sakura Swirl. Maybe the colors, and tell me what colors are in there.
Pink.
Pink? What else?
Blue.
Blue. Any other colors?
Black.
Well, I think that's a dark blue, but it could be black. It's hard to tell. It's nighttime, so the lighting isn't the best tonight.
Okay, red. White.
White. Okay, so let's look inside and see what it's like inside. I also found the inside of the Sakura Swirl kind of boring, to be honest.
This is exciting.
Oh, what color's inside? I hold it up. What color is that?
Pink.
Pink. That is really pretty.
Yeah.
Really, really. I do like the pink inside. Yeah, very, very nice. So I will do a packing video with this one.
There's another zipper.
Oh, there's heaps of zippers here, sweetie. That's the top zipper.
Pink.
Pink. Everything's pink. So there's pink in the top. Let's see the mommy pocket, eh? Scratching on stuff.
Oh, pink.
Oh, that is really pretty. So there you go. So my friend got one as well, which I thought was cute because she was really worried that it wasn't going to be, it was going to be crooked. But look, that's actually quite even. It comes up quite straight. Go on. Anna wants to show you her unicornos.
Unicorno.
Okay, so Zara May Boutique has Tokidoki items in now, so you can head over to the website and check it out. But Anna did kind of sneak one of these each, which is super cute.
Hey, Mommy, can I tell them what colors in head? White, pink, yellow, white, blue, and golden feet. Some head, pink, pink, black, pink, white, white, pink, pink, and a pink little tail.
Very cute.
And pink and sparkly pink. Yay! That means bye-bye. Bye!